Hi guys, we today are at what's called the Tryon Creek State Park, and we're just going on a nice little nature walk, and we thought we would bring you with us.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
Huh, Kieran?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go. This says the Glenn Jackson Shelter. Let's go take a look, huh?
Wow.
So cool, huh?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes. I just love it. Oh. It's kind of tall.
Yeah. Is it pretty cold out here, Kieran?
Yeah.
And it's kind of wet too. I can hear the raindrops coming down.
Yeah, but we can't sit on this bench.
We can, huh?
Yeah, because it's not right here.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's
Well, I think we should go find a trail and walk it just for a few minutes and get some fresh air. How about that?
yeah.
Let's go do that. Maple Ridge Trail or North Horse Loop. How about we go down this way? Because we'll get to the creek this way. Be careful, okay? Don't see, be careful. Be careful, little bunny. Wow, look at that. You know what happened?
No.
What you think happened? Look at it.
I don't know.
Well, let's go look. It looks like the tree
Got
pulled up, huh?
Huh?
And these are the roots of the tree.
You think it got
And-
pulled up?
Yeah, somehow it fell. Yeah. And these are called ferns, Karen.
Ooh.
Ferns are all over the forest floor.
And Mommy, you should touch them because they don't feel very pokey.
No, they don't, huh? They're very green and pretty. They're beautiful, huh? Okay, so let's go down some more and see if we can't see the creek.
Guys, look.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna bring this.
You gonna bring it with you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Florida.
And there's moss everywhere, guys, if you can see. Pretty muddy, but there's moss on the trees because there's so much humidity. The moss is growing everywhere. Yeah, this is a good walk with good, clean air. Sometimes it's good to get out, especially during the pandemic, to get out and get some air rather than being cooped up in the house all the time.
Found it.
More moss. Let's take a closer look.
Let's touch one
Yes,
of them.
there's the moss on the trees. And then it looks like there's ferns growing out of this tree, out of the stump of this tree right here. Let's go take a look, Karen. Wow. Look at that, guys. Okay, let's head down before it gets too dark.
Yeah.
We want to see the creek, so let's go see the creek. And then we can head back up, huh?
Yeah.
Well, Karen, are you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
What's so cool about it, Karen?
Is that you can find things.
You can find things in the beautiful forest, huh?
Yeah, and you can pick up this big leaf.
Yep. And the air, how does the air feel?
Good.
Feels good, and you can breathe really good, huh?
Yeah, and it's better getting outside than staying.
I just love these ferns. They're so beautiful. Okay, girlie, let's go. All right, guys, we will get back to you once we get down to the creek. Okay, guys, we have finally made it down to the creek, the high bridge. Let's look at the creek, Karen. All right, guys, take a look. There's the creek. And apparently at times there is salmon that comes through here, because there's signs about protecting the salmon. This is very nice, very beautiful. Karen, come back over here. It's kind of a steep endeavor back up, but we'll make it. But I just wanted to come down here and check out Tryon Creek. What do you think, Miss Karen? You like it?
Yeah.
Beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
There's this tree that's gonna eventually come down. Looks like they've chopped some trees or buzzed some trees out. And then look at this, guys. Take a look at this. I'm not sure what caused this, but maybe, I'm thinking maybe like an ice storm or something caused the tree to collapse, to rip out. Very cool. Oh, now look at that. Looks like a colony of mushrooms. Isn't that cool? Very nice. Yeah, I'm going to show you in just a second. Okay. Okay, guys, Karen wants to show you how yucky she can be with the mud. Ew, yucky girl, yucky muddy girl.
Guys, did you know under here is some good stone rocks?
It is underneath the mud.
Yeah.
Look at your wellies. Your wellies are all dirty, Karen.
Well, I'm trying to see what's under.
That's what the wellies are for, though. To protect your feet and your socks and whatnot.
Ugh. Yuck.
Okay, girlie, let's go.
I like these.
Guys, these are my work shoes. I don't have any hiking boots or any wellies, so look at my work shoes. And I have work this evening, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do about this. Okay, guys. Check it out, check it out. In the forest. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching and coming along with us on our nature hike. We appreciate you watching our videos. Thank you so much. Before we go, though, if you could please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Bye.